Here's what you'll need. 1 yard of Spoonflower's Eco Canvas. 1 yard will make 12 bean bags. Beans, corn, or your choice of filling, hand sewing needle, thread, small funnel or piece of paper rolled into a cone, sewing machine. We're using our Bernina B350. Begin by cutting out 8 squares from your Eco Canvas, each measuring 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches. With right side spacing, sew 2 of your fabric squares together, leaving a 2 to 3 inch gap between the beginning and end of your stitch line. Repeat this process until you have 3 bean bags. Clip excess fabric from all corners of your sewn bean bags and flip right side out. Use a point turner or knitting needle to poke out the corners. Using a small funnel or piece of paper rolled into a cone, fill your bean bag to desired weight. Once filled, stitch the gap closed by hand with a blind hem stitch. You're done! So easy!